Ekonomi bersatu. Dengan ini, Ekonomi Festival Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis Universitas Sultan Hasanuddin tahun 2025 saya buka.
I was choking in the crowd, building my rain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did, ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up when it rained down.